And if you are a golfer, stop what you're doing right now and just listen. Now, first and foremost on your mind is eliminating any back pain that you have after playing around or playing rounds all weekend, if you've got some. Second thing on your mind is probably eliminating any back pain or fatigue that you have after playing a couple of rounds over the weekend. So if you're a weekend warrior as a golfer, that's probably something that sneaks up with you occasionally or maybe regularly with the frequency that you play. So here's what we need to do about that. Between your knees and your shoulders is the area that we call your core. So notoriously, people think of abdominals and low back and that area as core, but it really involves everything. It's just like your golf swing. The whole kinetic chain has to work together. You don't swing one muscle group at a time. The whole thing moves. So you gently shift your weight between your feet, you come all the way back, and then you swing through, leading with your hips, and you know the drill. But if all of that doesn't work together, it's because of your core. If it does work really well and you're hitting well, it's probably because of your core. Here's a secret I'm going to let you in on. The very same thing that will help you prevent back pain will actually improve your game. Building a deep core foundation. So not just the superficial muscles that give you a six-pack, but the deep muscles underlying it are the ones that really bump up against your spine in the front side of it that protect your lower back from pain and fatigue. They also give you possibly a six-pack, at least a flatter belly, but they give you the strength to carry through, and that is your system of leverage. So your hips are going to rotate around that axis. Your upper body and your arms rotate around that axis. If you don't have strength there, what will happen is your swing will beg, borrow, and steal whatever it has to from your lower back, and that's where the pain comes from. It's improperly using the muscles that should be firing, and you're stealing them from somewhere else. Because if you have a big swing, that speed and power is going to come from somewhere. So I want you to go to the URL down below. As you're heading into the off season, for sure, it's a great time to start it. It's not going to hurt your game if you're in mid-season, and it will probably help you have a better season if this is preseason for you. So go to the URL, type that in. You're going to enter your name and then click confirmation on the email that I send to you, and I'll see you at the next 3 videos. Short, sweet, but right to the point about things that you can do to improve your game now.